you are not yet obsessed with this Fulani braid, let me make you obsessed. Okay, I'll be turning my hair from this to this beautiful Fulani braid, but I'll be using one pack of braiding extension for this particular style. I divided this extension into 5, and then I know when it comes to Fulani braid, it goes with cornrows and curly hair. What is extension doing here? Don't worry, we will be curling it into the beautiful curl pattern that we want. But before that, I divided my hair into 2, ensuring the back section is more and the front section is less. I use olive oil wax to clean my pattern, and the cornrows are freestyle. There's no rules or pattern ways that you are supposed to go with your cornrows. Girl, freak out and go all in. Okay, so for me, I decided to do some art and design on my hair. Like, it's freestyle, let me have it. Okay, I braided 2 parts of the cornrow. After that, I went in for a larger section, divided that section into 2, and then divided that same section into another 2. So I had 4, braiding each into 1 inch, 1 inch. So I braided the front sections first, and then I will just cross it over to the other side and braided that one into a cornrow and braid this one into a cornrow.
Just pause your freaking mind and hear that calling, taking over you. Wanna feel it,
so you know that feeling that after braiding cornrows and you look to the side of your face and you feel like, why is my forehead talking? Why is my forehead speaking? Is it speaking Cree or English? What kind of behavior is my forehead trying to do? Yeah, that's what my forehead was doing, but it was nice because I applied board mask to this particular cornrow, crossing over, multiplying, dividing, and everything. But with the back section, I'll be doing the crocheting method. So I'll be bringing cornrows to at the back by using the leftover extension that I have with the front cornrow. I'll just move that hair extension by using that same extension to the back side. Cause guys, if you didn't know, my hair is short. Yeah, so after that, we will be going in for extension and we'll be curling it. Then we crochet it, and you will love the final look, I bet you.
Just pause your freaking mind and hear that calling, taking over you. Wanna feel it, your vibration, hear your screaming liberation. But keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. You know you gotta keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. Don't you let that go easy, let it go. Feelings go by flow, come and let it show. But keep it low, create.